how to connect Irig HDX in order to use with your amp. All right, so first thing we need to do is connect our guitar, which is this cable right here going into the guitar input, which is this one here. You're going to need another cable going out from this little amp icon. This cable is going out to my amp. And then we're just going to connect the Irig via USB-C that goes into, for this particular purpose, iPhone is Lightning. And then we're going to launch GarageBand and we're going to listen to ourselves coming out of the amp. So let's go. Make sure you allow GarageBand to access your microphone in order for this to work. So we're going to hit allow. Okay, Irig HDX is now connected to the iPhone via its cable. Here is GarageBand. The other thing you want to make sure is that once you're connected, you also want to turn on monitor. So if you turn that on, you'll be able to get sound from the guitar. All right, so we have GarageBand, we have our sound coming out of our amp, and let's record that sound real quick. So we're just going to hit that red button. Let's record this. Okay, now that we're done recording, it's gonna stop, and then let's hear that back real quick. Okay, just to note that on the headphones, you're just going to hear a clean signal and only on the playback, not while you're recording, and the effects are coming directly out of the amp. So that's GarageBand. That's how you record a track, hearing it through your amp.